Mom, I have present for you.
Nathan.
I'm gonna put Moo on the sofa.
Nathan, don't put Moo on the sofa, please. Aduh, Nathan. Nathan, I have to vacuum it again. Because her bulu is always
Kasi,
rontok,
kamu.
Nathan. Aduh. Mama udah capek, Nathan. Nathan. Aduh, I have to vacuum and she's so naughty. She's doing that all the more. Aduh, Nathan.
Moo, no,
Stop
Moo.
it, Nathan.
I didn't know she's gonna do this. Look,
Nathan,
look,
what
so
is she
cute.
doing? Nathan, ini
She's-
bulunya pasti banyak sekali. Sekarang harus vacuum.
Mom, kasihan Moo. Moo mau duduk di sofa juga, mau santai,
udah.
mau nonton TV. Bukan cuma you bisa nonton TV, Moo mau nonton TV.
I cannot handle this, loh. I really don't like it. Ini sengaja ya, Nathan. Ini bikin Mama marah ya.
No, Mom, she wants to play, kasihan.
Yeah, you play. There is so much space outside. I nggak mau you bilang helper suruh vacuum.
Nggak
You
bakal.
have to, no, you have to clean up.
Ya, clean up, clean up.
Promise ya?
Iya.
Yeah.
Moo, enough.
Aduh,
Okay.
Nathan, pinggirin.
Udah, okay, enough. Say sorry to Mama. Moo wants to say sorry.
You have to say sorry. Dia mah nggak salah.
Moo told me to do it. Kiss,
Udah,
kiss, kiss.
Aduh, Nathan. Nathan.